This setup we have for a lever tricep pushdown using our multi-strap. This is another one that feels really good. Setup is pretty simple. For most people, when the arm is at the right angle, which should be kind of at this small degree here, you're gonna see that if the bottom hole were right around here, it would be 2 to 3 holes that direction for this angle. All right, so when it's at this angle, the top of it should be just above your head. And that, for most people, the way their arms are built, would give you a good starting point as you come back here to have your arms all the way in the stretch position for the tricep. So we want to be a lot of the time in a split stance, or at least bent down. We're going to be pulling a little bit to get a little extra load on it. This space right here isn't going to feel real heavy because you're actually working against the weight of the arm. So it's something a lot of people don't consider. But you're basically taking the entire weight of this assembly and counterbalancing the weight over there. So you're gonna have to add a little bit more weight. You definitely wanna make sure the weight pin is all the way down. You'll wanna load the exercise up heavier, accounting for the fact that this is gonna take away some of that resistance. And again, also, when I start the exercise, this area is gonna feel a little bit more dead because of the fact that it's counterbalanced. So for me, I'm gonna kind of pull it to around here, make sure that I'm stood back so that I'm at that full stretch point of my tricep, then extending all the way down, opening at the bottom. So right here in this range feels really tight, feels really good, and really engages the triceps. Now this is me holding the upper loops. If you wanted to hold the lower loops, you could just stand back a little bit further and just kind of change your angle, and that still works. Or you could end up raising the carriage up. So if you're looking for more of a subtle opening at the bottom, you can stand a little closer with the upper loops, or you guys can grab the lower loops, stand back, kind of bend down a little bit. Just make sure that you're at the right angle to be able to get a full stretch at the top and a good contraction all the way down. So that's kind of how to set it up. Hopefully you guys enjoy it.